Hello, guys. Welcome back to RayApp Music. It's been a very long time since I shot a video. This video tutorial is a beautiful song, just a very simple song, and I'm going to do it in about 4 keys. That's from C, then I move to D, then I move to E flat, and then finally to F. It's just a simple song, so you can work around all these 4 key signatures. Um, this is how it goes. So as you can see on the screens with the chords on top of them, the title is Forever, O Lord, Thy Word is Settled in Heaven. So quickly going to play through the song and then later um, break down the chords as you can see on the screen. So this is how it goes. Forever, O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven forever. O Lord, Thy word is settled in heaven. So that is it for the song and then the chord progression. So I'm going to start with a C, as you can see on the screen. Very simple chords. So the first chord is in C. So that's first inversion of C major chord, that's E, G, C. And then my left will be playing C and C. So forever. This a very simple chord. It's basically G over E. So it's going to be like E minor seventh. So G major chord on my right, that's B, D, G, B, and then my left will be doing E. More or less like an E minor seventh, but basically you can say G over E or 5 over 3. So forever, oh Lord. This is a straight F major chord. That's F, A, C on my right, and then F on my left. So forever, oh Lord. Then this also like a D minor 7, but you can say 4, chord 4 over 2. Chord 4 over 2. Very simple. So forever, oh Lord. word is settle. This is a straight G major chord, so D, G, B, and then G on my left. Thy word is settled in heaven. So again, forever. Oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. That is it. So to the D major chord, it's basically the same chord progression. So forever, that's D, F sharp, A, D. Then you move to that same chord, that same type of chord as A major chord over G flat or F sharp. Oh Lord, that's G. That's chord for G, B, D. Thy word, then it still remains there, so E minor 7 appears again. Thy word is settled. A major chord, that's straight A. That's E, A, C sharp on my right, and then A on my left. Thy word is settled in heaven forever. Oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. That is it. Now to the E flat. Forever. The E flat chord. That's G, B flat, E flat on my right, and then E flat there. So forever. Then there's actually a B flat major chord. That's F, B flat, then D, and then G on my left. It's going to be like G minor 7th. Oh Lord. Then A flat major chord. That's A flat, C, E flat, and then A flat. Then F minor 7th, or you can say chord 4/2. Thy word is settled. That's a straight B flat chord. F, B flat, D. In heaven. Simple. Forever. Sorry. Oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven forever. Oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. That is it. Now to the F. Forever. That's A, C, F on my right, then F, F. Forever. Then C over A. So it's going to be like A minor 7th. So chord 5/3. Forever. Oh Lord. Then this chord is a B flat chord. Then G minor 7th appears again. That's B flat, D, F, and then G on my left. Thy word is settled. That's C major chord. Second version of C. That's G, C, E, and then C on my left. Or you can double up. Thy word is settled in heaven forever. Oh Lord, then thy word is settled in heaven. So from the C, forever. Oh Lord, thy word is settled the D. Forever, oh Lord, thy will is settled in heaven. Then to the E flat. Forever, oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. Then to the F. Forever, oh Lord, thy word is settled in heaven. I believe you enjoyed this simple chord progression of Forever, O Lord, thy word settled in the key of C, D, C major, D major, E flat major, and then F major. Keep subscribing to RayApp Chamber Music. God bless you.